This will become a giant microscope. Don't believe me? Well, it is a bit simplified, but the facility being constructed here will actually be able to zoom in on materials right down to the atomic level. With its world-leading technology, the European Spallation Source, or ESS, will be able to study materials with never-before-seen clarity. ESS will bring science to a new era, which may make it the most interesting research facility being built today.
Here I have a piece of concrete. Here I have a battery. Just by feeling them in my hand, I can tell that they are solid, cold, and rather heavy. But to really understand why they are all these things, I need to understand how they behave on an atomic and a molecular level. That's what the ESS can do. It's a tool to understand the material's properties, how they behave, and how we can improve them. For example, scientists can learn more about how proteins work and thus produce better and safer medicines. We can also understand how metals work, and then the airline industry can produce safer and better airplanes, consuming less fuel.
The science to be done here is based on neutrons, which are part of atoms. To produce neutrons, electromagnetic fields accelerate protons through a tunnel, some of it cooled to minus 271 Celsius, until the protons almost reach the speed of light. After 600 meters, these tiny particles collide with a rotating 5-ton metal target. The incredible force releases the neutrons from the metal. Those neutrons are then guided through pipes to scientific instruments to be used for experiments. ESS will generate up to 100 times more neutrons than similar research facilities. The difference is like taking a photo under the glow of a candle or doing it under flash lighting. Scientists will be able to probe deeper into materials than ever before.
At ESS, one scientist might come to study life science, to try to find a cure for, let's say, Alzheimer's disease. And what's so fantastic is that another scientist might come to study sustainable materials development at the same time. Researchers will come to ESS from all over the world to do their experiments.
We are here building the European Spallation Source in Lund in Sweden. It's a unique opportunity to be part of this groundbreaking project. It's exciting and it's challenging, to say the least.
With Skanska as key partner, construction of this research facility is underway. Soon, answers to long-standing scientific mysteries will be revealed, enabling even more developments for society and our entire world.